Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorial on an online tool for making your quizzes very interactive. This can be easily done through a tool called Quiz, Quizizz. So it's a tool which makes your quiz very interactive and very appealing to the students. So what you have to do is just write quiz in the Google and go to join a quiz. It will ask whether you want to join it through a Gmail or any other account. You can simply click on it. It will open it. I have already joined it through my Gmail account. So I'll just go to the instructors board. The good thing about this quiz platform is it every time does not want you to make your own quiz, but it's like a community. Everyone who has made a quiz is already available as per the topics you have defined, and you can simply replay it. So if you say I'm replaying electromagnetic waves, so it will play live. So once I say play live, it will give me some code which I have to share with my students. So students have to join my quiz.com and enter this code. And the moment I start, I can see this waiting for players to join. They will simply join. So once they put this code, they will be seen visible in this waiting for players. And as soon as I start, the quiz will be available for the players to join. So currently there is no player, so it is not starting, so it will wait for the players to join. Now this was one part of it. Now the other part of it is, suppose I want to create my own quiz, right? I don't want to use the existing quiz. How will I do it is, you can always go to this icon, create your quiz. So you can name the quiz as ABL and it is related to education. I'll go to the next. Next, it directly gives you a window for inputting your quiz and gives you an option of selecting the type of question, whether it's a poll question, whether it's an open-ended question, or fill in the blanks or checkbox. So I can choose any one. So checkbox means multiple answers. So I can type one question. So I've just given four options. So maybe two are wrong, right, or one is right, and I'll save it. The moment I save it, yeah, I have to give the correct answer. So the correct answer is brainstorming and discussion and both. So I'll simply save it. So it saves this answer and gives me an option to create another question. Say I want to make it as a fill in the blanks. So engineer is a dash. So the answer to this question is a solution provider. So we have to just give it the correct answer. It will simply keep on adding these questions to your quiz. The questions get saved and you can actually add a new question. Once it is done, you will simply press done. So once it's done, it may ask you to drag some pictures and paste the pictures, the language, for whom you are semester 1, semester 2, or grades which you are, say it is for the primary school students. So if it is 5th, 6th or whatever, I'll choose that. So right now I'm selecting. So I want the public to view. Once it's saved, it's ready to go. So once you again the similar way, the way we have used the already made quiz, the questions are already there, play live. So again it will give me the new code which needs to be shared, and as soon as my players join with this code and this link, I can start it. So this is a very tool. You can use it for various activities that you are conducting during your fest to have an online evaluation, because it gives life to your quiz with lot of characters being added to everyone. and shows a live change in the score of the each person, and therefore make it more lively. The moment you want the quiz to stop, like timing, if you want to fix it, the moment you say the quiz has to stop, simply say end game, and the it will stop, and it's available for the others to use, and also for you to use it in future also. So that's it. Thank you. And you are supposed to actually make one quiz and try it with your friends on one of the topics given to you in today's session. Thank you.